In 2008, Baker University in Kansas was the first university to buy a mini Halfwood press. And for the first time, students there could learn from a DVD that was made by the professor who created it. That's me. Following is the DVD that I sent along with the press purchased by Baker University.
Hi, I'm Bill Ritchie, and I'm going to show you how to load and print with your Mini Halfwood Press. Start by turning the top roller pressure screws all the way down till they touch the bed. Then raise them back evenly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 half turns should do it. Then roll the blankets underneath the roller and tighten them back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, till they feel quite firm. Then fold the blankets back.
To print your test plate, put the ink out on the slab, put the ink on the plate with your spatula, roll it out with the brayer so that it's smooth, then wipe it with tarlatan in the traditional manner. You might want to wipe with paper wipe as well, one of my favorite methods, and then finish with a hand wipe using the heel of your hand. Last, clean the edges of the plate, and then get the paper from the soaking tray where it's been soaking for about an hour and blot it, and you're ready to go.
Then place the plate on the bed, the paper on the plate, and turn it through. I'm going to go twice, just for the sake of the video. And pull the proof. There's one last thing you can do, and that is to add the moment number, the moment it was printed. That is, VI stands for video, 08 stands for the year, 10th is October, and it is the 8th. VI 081008.